Hey guys, this is Achintya Gaumat. In this video, I am announcing the Feb cohort of Tathastu Scholar Internship Program. It is the world largest internship program. Yes, you heard it right. We are announcing the Feb cohort which will be starting from 1st of February. You can register right now. Link is there in the description. Before we start, I would like to make a humble request. Please like the video. We are taking a like target of 500 like. If you like the video, it helps the video to reach to more students and we will be able to help more students just like you. And also subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so far. At least 50% of students who watch the video, they don't subscribe, so please subscribe to the channel. Before I tell you more about this cohort, let me tell you some changes. Last time we got lots of queries that I was not able to answer all the queries of students due to lack of bandwidth and time on my part. So we have hired a dedicated community manager who will be taking all the queries, onboarding students, providing offer letters, certificates. Any issue that you have, you can contact that person. So that issue we have resolved. Second, there will be live doubt sessions regarding your projects. Like if you need any technical help, you can contact the mentors in the live session. Those are instructors who take live paid courses of Tathastu. So you can get all your queries resolved by them, because last time many students were facing those issues. Third, every student will get an offer letter. Last time many students didn't get it because due to bandwidth issue, as I said earlier. So the community manager that we will be hiring will be the person who will be providing you all the offer letters prior to the starting of this internship. Fourth, for the final evaluation, we'll be conducting a test for you on the platform of Relevel. I hope you are aware. If you are not, Relevel is also sponsoring this scholar program so that it is available to you for free. Let me tell you about Relevel in brief. Relevel is a hiring platform where top companies, startup unicorns are hiring, like Cred, 1mg, Meesho, Upgrade. How to do: book a test in whichever field you want to apply, take the test, interview with companies and get hired within just 15 days. So let's look at some of the tests offered by them. If you want to apply for technical field, you have option of front-end development, back-end development, Python, Java, Node.js options are there. If you want to go for data field, data analytics, data science, you can apply for data analytics. Full stack development has been recently added. Apart from that, they have some non-technical test of business development, business analytics, and they have recently added a new test of associate product management. You can also apply for that. You can check out the syllabus and everything here on this website. So let's say how to book a test. It's very simple. You have to click on the test you want to apply, click on book your free slot. You have to log in. If you have already logged in, then just enter your number and wait for OTP. Enter the OTP. If you haven't created an account, then sign up is very easy. You can just do it in few steps. Then it will ask you to select your track. You can select whichever track you want to select and click on continue. And here you will select which date you want to take a test. Test will be a day long, so please think whichever date you want to select. Okay, so let's say you do for 28th January, click on book test, and that's it. Your test will be booked. They have recently added a new feature of practice. Here you can practice any test you want to do. DSA practice, coding practice, OOPS, whichever you want to do, you can practice. Apart from this, you can also look at leaderboard. These are the people who have got recently job with the help of Relevel. They also get lots of prizes like MacBook, iPhone, Apple Watch, etc. They have got first job with the help of Relevel. You can also get a job. Just go ahead and apply. Link is there in the description. Now let's talk about some features of Tathastu Scholar program. It is an internship. It's not a training program. In this, we are not going to teach you anything. The basic difference of internship is training. In training, you are taught something. You are taught theory, projects, etc. In internship, you are given some task. You have to do this. Second, this internship is learning based and not a work based. When you work in a company, you are given a project. You have to work on it. Okay. In this, you will be doing some tasks, and the incentive will be a certificate of internship. So that's the basic concept of this program. There will be no fee, there will be no stipend. We will be not charging you any fee, 50, 100, 5,000, 10,000. No fee will be charged, no stipend will be given to you as well. You can easily manage this internship with your college. You only have to give maximum 2 hours, 3 hours per week for the period of 1 month. Like 4 weeks, you have to give 2-3 hours per week. So that's equal to 8 to 12 hours. So it totally depends how you manage. For getting the certificate, you have to do only 3 tasks out of 4. You can also do all 4 tasks. We'll be giving you 4 tasks, 1 task for each week. You have to do only 3 for getting the certificate. And you have to also attempt the Relevel test. More details about it will be given to you as this cohort start. Let me show you the certificate which will be provided to you. As you can see on the screen, this will be the offer letter given to you. Second, you can see this is the internship certificate which will be given to you when you complete your internship after doing 3 tasks as well as the test on Relevel platform. Now let's talk about the roles which will be offered to you. We are offering 6 roles. First is Munstack Scholar Intern. Second, Data Science and Machine Learning Scholar Intern. Third is Web Developer Scholar Intern. Fourth is DSA Scholar Intern. You can do DSA in C++, Java, Python, whichever language you want. Fifth will be Java Scholar Intern. Sixth will be Python Scholar Intern. You can do internship in any of the 6 role which you want to do. It totally depends on your interest. Each of them will have separate tasks, and but the eligibility criteria will be same, selection process will be same, everything will be same, only task will be different. Let me give you an example of what kind of tasks you have to do. We have talked about 4 tasks and an evaluation test. First task will be you have to study, you have to watch tutorials on YouTube for your skill. We'll be giving you some videos that you can follow both in Hindi as well as English. Second task, you have to make a simple beginner level project. For DSA, you will be asked to solve some problems on LeetCode in your selected language. In the third task, you will be asked to, in second task, you will be doing some live doubt session as well. So don't worry if you haven't made any project so far, so you can ask your queries to our instructors, no need to worry. In third task, you have to make a quiz on some specific topic that will give you an option like 7-8 topics. You can make a quiz in any one of that. A Google form you have to create. We will teach you how to do that. In task 4, you have to make your resume, you have to make your LinkedIn profile and submit to us, because we want a complete experience, technical knowledge, practical implementations, test of your technical knowledge. Fourth is your soft skills as well. Final evaluation will happen on your Relevel platform. We will tell you the details, how exactly is going to work, how to apply, how to sign up, how to book a test, etc. Everything will be told to you as this cohort starts. Let's talk about how to apply in the eligibility criteria. You have to simply fill up the Google form. Link is there in the description. Once you fill up all the details, our team will review your application and contact those students who will meet our requirements. You will get a reply from our team or not. We will contact you on WhatsApp. You will not get any email or anything like that. Okay, after that we will give you some step of onboarding, then only you will be selected. Just because you have filled a Google form doesn't mean you are selected. A lot of students get confused there. If you fill a Google form, if you send a message on WhatsApp from us, then only you are selected. Also, in a WhatsApp message, we send you different kinds of message when you say that you are selected, and this is the onboarding process. You have to complete the process, then only you will be selected. Okay, just because you have filled the form or we have sent a message, you are not selected, don't get confused. In the end, lot of students get confused and you will not get the certificate. So please make sure you follow all the steps. Last day to apply is 31st of January. Okay, because cohort will start from 1st of February. Okay, any year student can apply. First year, second year, third year, final year can apply, but it will be most helpful for third year and final year student, because they must be having some skill, knowledge of some skill, DSA, etc. They're sitting for placement, internship. So it will be most helpful for third year and final year students. And if you have done this internship in the past, you can reapply. And if you have met the limit of certificate on Tathastu, you can also apply. There is no limitations on this certificate as well, so you can apply again if you have done it in November, if you have done it in July. We have done 2 cohorts previous to this, so you can apply again as well. Some FAQs in this: there will be self-learning with doubt support from our team. Okay, so you have to study on your own. We are not going to teach you live learning. Spoon feeding will not happen. You have to study on your own, because this is an internship and not a training course. Our certificate is accepted in all AICTE colleges. In previous cohorts, it has been actually accepted in at least 250 plus colleges that we are aware of. Apart from that, we are not aware of any college, then that's also possible. You can only apply in one role at a time. Like you can either do web development, data science, Munstack. You cannot do multiple roles. Lot of students ask me, so it's not possible. Alumni can apply. If you have done it past, then you can also do it again. There will be no test for selection, no interview for selection. We will be given opportunity, equal opportunity to every student to apply, to get selected and to learn something valuable for their career. Okay, I hope I have given you all the information that you need to know. If you still have any queries, you can comment in the comment section, or you can WhatsApp us on my number. Number is there in the description as well. Please don't call. It's very difficult to take your queries on call. Please only message and wait for a day or two for getting a response, because there are lots of queries. Okay, so please sign up, hurry up, and invite your friends to join this internship as well. I am quite confident this is going to be a very exciting journey for you as well as for us.